morning, everybody, and welcome to Math with Mr. W. And here we are again, but this time we have moved up a grade. We're now in fourth grade. That fourth grade, my mother's favorite grade to teach, spent most of her career as a teacher teaching fourth grade. So this grade is power-packed with all kinds of great stuff in mathematics. We do all the operations of fractions. We do all kinds of stuff with decimals. We do all kinds of materials. So you're going to enjoy fourth grade. So let's talk about factoring to start with. Factoring. Now, we started this out in the third grade when we did the numbers 1 through 50 by factoring them. And we saw that 1 was just simply 1 times 1, but 50, so we go to 50 and we saw its factors to be 25 times 2, or 2 times 5 times 5. Now, this is where things get really important as are dealing with fractions and how much over what kind. And our what kinds can sometimes get above 50. We look at 51 down through 99. And you might even, why not, let's do 100 while we're here. So your students, I think, to start with, before we even talk about adding fractions, remind them that they need to have the numbers 1 through 50 and their factoring done on those numbers as part of their portfolio, part of what they have with them. Not try and memorize them. They should have them on a sheet of paper. And if they've lost them or thrown them away, tell them to get them back. Have them redo it because they're going to need them. All right, that's really important. And next, now let's continue with 51 to 100. So 51 being 3 times 17. And then 52, which has, like a deck of cards, is 4 times 13, but our 4 can be broken down, so that becomes 2 times 2 times 13. And then 53 is a prime number. That's just 1 times 53. And then 54, we had, a nice number, 54. They'll know that's 9 times 6. So what do we have here? We have 3 times 3, and we have 2 times 3. Well, really, so that is 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Now, that's the beginning of this. And they need to get all the way down to 100, which is 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. And then they need to have this with them. How often do they need to have with them? Every day. Because if they're adding fractions or they're doing any kind of factoring, they may have to refer to these. But the more they refer to them, the more they've looked at them, they'll finally remember them. And they've got them with them if they forget. But have them do the factoring of the numbers from 51 to 100, and then they'll have all the first 100 numbers factored. This has been Mr. W. Enjoy your year. Have a great day. See you next time on Math with Mr. W.